May I come in, sir?
Oh, welcome, Mr. Hassan Akhtar. Please have a seat.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, sirs.
मिस्टर हसन अख्तर, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि आज जुमा है और हम ऑलरेडी काफ़ी लेट हैं, तो आप ही बता दीजिए कि आपसे क्या पूछा जाए. तो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर यू?
Well, sir, I'm Hassan Akhtar, always believing myself to be the student of English language and literature. I did my master's in English language and literature from the University of Education and I topped it. Frankly speaking, sir, I'm not very talented or very smart boy. I have nothing special or particular, but there is this one thing that I like and I love about myself. According to one of the words of असदुल्ला खान गालिब, गमे हस्ती का असद किससे हो जिस मर्ग इलाज, शमा हर रंग में जलती है सहर होने तक. I face life as it is. I have faced it and I'm still facing it the way it is, with all its worries and tensions and troubles, with its fevers and fret. And that's one thing I love about myself, and that's what I think my master's degree has given me. My staying 2 years at the campus has given me this one thing. Shama har rang mein jalti hai sehar hone tak. So there are worries, there are problems, but I face them. And this is the only one thing that I'm proud of. And as far as knowledge and degree is concerned, well, there are hundreds and thousands of people out there with better degrees than me, with better knowledge than me.
दैट्स रियल ग्रेट.
Yes, sir. It really is.
मैंने मान लिया कि आपको अदब में महारत हासिल है, जैसा कि मैंने आपके मार्क्स चेक कर लिए हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि इसके अलावा आपको किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है?
Well, as I have already mentioned, sir, that I like Ghalib, poetry and music and literature. Ghalib is my real passion.
म्यूजिक? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक?
Classics only, like Ghulam Ali, Anup Jalota, etc.
Which of Ghulam Ali's ghazal is your favorite?
This is Ghalib's ghazal, basically written in Persian language and then translated into Punjabi by Sufi Ghulam Muswat Tabassum and then sung by the legendary Ghulam Ali. It goes like this. मेरे प्यार दा नहीं एतबार तैनू, आजा वेख मेरा इंतजार आजा.
Ghulam Ali has sung so many ghazals. Do you remember any of them?
चुपके चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद है.
अच्छा, आप ऐसा करें कि आप मुझे मुगल बादशाह अकबर के दौर के मौसीकी के बड़े बड़े नाम के बारे में बताएं.
I'm sorry, sir, but I think I'm not that old.
या आई कैन सी यू आर यंग इनफ, लेकिन अगर आपको म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है तो आपको इसके बारे में पता होना चाहिए.
I'm sorry, sir.
अकबर के 9 रत्न कौन थे?
I'm sorry, sir. No, I'm sorry, but I'm really not.
आप नौजवान नस्ल ऐसे सवालात पे क्यों लाजवाब हो जाते हैं? आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे मुल्क में क्या करंट अफेयर्स चल रहे हैं. आखिरकार आप एक टीचर बनने जा रहे हैं.
I was, sir. It's not like that. I was interested in reading newspaper, but then this, recently the circumstances have taken so exhausting shape. Every day there is this bomb blast and suicide and rapes and all that stuff. So whenever I read a newspaper, it gives me a headache. It gives me so mental pain that I finally left it. I don't read newspaper that much now. But it's not like I don't know anything. Well, there are things that I read.
You mean you are disappointed? अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना बंद कर दें तो क्या आपको लगता है कि हालात ठीक हो जाएंगे?
Well, sir, please don't misunderstand. I don't mean to say that. What I want to say is that I was interested in all that newspaper and television, but recently I stopped. But it doesn't mean that I don't know anything. What I want to say is that, I want to be a teacher, and that's what I think I was meant for. I was meant to be a teacher, and that's what I think is my destination. Okay, and I'm happy here, but read newspaper maybe twice or thrice a week, but not daily, just because of the things that I have just said. So I hope you understand.
Okay, Mr. Hassan, I hand you over to the literary person.
हसन साहब आपसे क्या पूछा जाए?
I would love to be questioned either on William Shakespeare or on Jane Austen.
Who was Jane Austen?
The English novelist of the Romantic age. She is believed to be among the top 10 best novelists around the world. She has authored Sense and Sensibility, Emma, Mansfield Park, and finally, which is my most favorite, Pride and Prejudice.
Why Pride and Prejudice is your favorite? Why not Emma?
This is because of Jane Austen's one master character, Miss Elizabeth Bennet. I don't know how and when this girl, Miss Elizabeth Bennet, made me fall in love with her. And I think this is Miss Lizzie that made me in love with this Pride and Prejudice. And this is because of her character that Pride and Prejudice is my favorite character. Particularly, I loved it when I watched this movie on the same name, Pride and Prejudice. The movie, which was directed by Joe Wright, and the character of Miss Elizabeth Bennet was played by this famous actress, British actress, Keira Knightley. After I watched that movie, I just couldn't resist liking it, loving it.
What is dramatic irony?
I'm sorry, I knew this, I think I read it, but right now I can't recall into my mind. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. What is situational irony?
This is when a character believes a particular situation in a certain way, but ultimately the result appears quite opposite. For example, Elizabeth thinks that Mr. Wickham is a good character, but we see that in the coming chapter, Mr. Wickham elopes with Lydia, the youngest family member in the Bennet house.
आपको पता है कि मिस ऑस्टन के ज़माने में ये फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ था? उन्होंने कभी इसका जिक्र क्यों नहीं किया?
Well, this is because of the fact that Jane Austen is universally known for her narrow range and to evody. The two terms used in critics. She never went out of her home. She led a very simple life. We all know that. It is believed that she went to England only twice or maybe thrice in whole of her life. Okay, so what I think that she had a narrow range and she had not a very good exposure. She was a simple country girl for whom 3 or 4 families in a countryside was enough to work on. She knew no philosophy and had a limited reading. She was purely a village woman and as I believe could not afford amalgamating any philosophy or ideology in her novels. And I have a feeling that Miss Austen did not know that much about the French Revolution.
जी सर, आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे?
नो सर, बस हो गया.
ओके मिस्टर हसन, आपसे अच्छी मुलाकात रही. यू मे गो.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you.